Sometimes, through the magic of video editing, I give the illusion that things always go right here in the shop. Welcome back to Black Bear Forge. The braided handle twist that we did the other day is a perfect example of that. I welded the braid onto a 3/8 square bar so it would be a tool handle for a fireplace poker or something like that. And in the video, that went really well. The truth is, it didn't really go all that well because I had initially made several attempts to weld the handle onto the first set of forge welds so that I would have a handle on it to do the second set of forge welds. That's really a good way to go, but things just weren't going right at that moment. The fire needed to be cleaned and I hadn't done that, and I just couldn't make that weld stick. So it gives the impression in the video that it went right the first time. Well, I make mistakes too. Don't beat yourself up if it doesn't go that smoothly for you. So why don't we take a look at the outtakes from that video, and you can watch me mess that weld up 3, 4, 5 times in a row. I lost count already. And you can see that it doesn't always go that well. Both pieces are up to a nice welding heat. They may not be now. Nope, I lost it. Both pieces are up to welding heat. No, they are not. Okay, we're at welding heat. Light blows to get it to stick. And back in the fire, because it looks... While it is often said that you learn more from your mistakes than you do from your successes, I'm not sure I completely believe that. When things go right, you get a sense of why it went right. When things go wrong, you're not always sure why it went wrong until you have the experience of getting it to go right. So I try not to show too many of the endless mistakes when that happens. I'm at a point that, yes, I learned from that because it was easy for me to say, well, the fire needed to be cleaned, I need to get the clinkers out, need to build up a better bed of coke, and I need to do it again. And I trimmed the ends off of the bars, and I started with fresh material when I did the weld successfully. But you don't know that until you've been welding successfully. That's something you don't learn by just making mistake after mistake after mistake. So I try not to show those. I want to show you what works more often than I want to show you what doesn't work. Because if you're copying what doesn't work, you're not going to learn to do it the right way. So I'm not really trying to give the illusion that I never make a mistake. I'm just trying to give you the best information I can. And occasionally we will do one of these little outtake videos. And maybe I'll start saving up the outtakes from numerous videos and put them all together in one 10 or 15 minute strip of me just screwing up. Anyways, I hope you liked that. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Love it if you hit that subscribe button. Be sure to watch a few of the other videos, then make time in your day to get out to your shop, make something. Try not to make too many mistakes though. Stay safe and wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next one.